Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Juspay of campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the first thing is the job role or the job title. It is for software developer, and the experience needed for the job role, it is for 1 to 5 years of experience. So these are eligible to apply for this particular job role, and the salary or the CTC, it is 8 to 30 lakhs per annum. And the job or the work location, it is Bangalore. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BA or BTech graduates from computer science or information technology background, or the other graduates who has knowledge of SDK backend as well as data science from these backgrounds. So they are also eligible to apply. So it is basically open for the developers from SDK, that is software development kit, then backend as well as data science and system design, and there should be no active backlogs to apply for this particular job role. So the next thing is the important deadlines. The first thing is that the registration, it opens on Jan 6th 2023 at sharp 6 p.m. and the registration, it closes on January 8th 2023 at 12 p.m. So do note these dates and do apply before Jan 8th. So the next thing is the tech stack that are needed for this particular job role. So you need to have knowledge of SDK, that is software development kit, in which you will be building UI or UX, so UI design experiences that enables the frictionless user payments, and it will enable the merchants to manage the payment. Second thing is that you need to have knowledge of backend, so backend programming languages is preferred. And the third thing is that it is good to have knowledge of data science, so artificial intelligence and all. And the last thing is infrastructure, so reliable, and that is you need to have knowledge of infrastructure, data science or backend or SDK. So any of these skills is needed for this particular job role. So then coming to the selection process, the first round, it will be the registration on Hacker Earth platform. So once you register, so you'll be getting a link for the online assessment, which will be conducted on the same platform, that is Hacker Earth. And the next thing is the result will be announced based on the candidate score and the resume. So you'll be shortlisted for the next round, and the last round will be, there will be 2 days of remote hackathon. So these are the total rounds that are included in the selection process. So after completion of the hackathon, so you'll be getting the offer letters. So there may be or may not be interview, so based on your test performance, so they are going to release the offer letter, or there will be basic interview, personal interview. So then challenge format, so the first round there will be online challenge in which there will be 3 programming questions from medium, and there will be difficulty level, so simple, medium and difficulty level. So there is no particular language restriction. You can code in any of the programming language. You can use any programming, Java, Python, whichever is comfortable to you. So the first round will be the online challenge, 3 programming questions. So you should at least solve 2.5 programming questions completely to qualify for the next round. So after that, there will be 2 days of hackathon, in which the selected candidates, they will get the link for the 2 days of remote hackathon. So in that also they will give the coding question, so based on the data structure related coding question, in which you need to give the solution for them. So this is the challenge format for this particular job role. So then coming to the application link, I said the registration, it starts from Jan 6th and it closes on Jan 8th. So you can just log in with your Google account, and then you can just start your application, and you need to upload your updated resume. So do mention the backend skills, or if you are good at data science or artificial intelligence, so you can do mention those skills in the resume, and you can upload, and you can fill all your basic details, everything. So based on, first thing is based on your resume itself, you will be shortlisted for the next round. So do add the skills they have mentioned, and you can just submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.